It was time. Hey guys, this is Uche Lawrence. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope that the content that I'm providing you is extremely helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will be the first to find out about it. What's going on, guys? This is Uche, and I want to talk to you about something interesting that happened over the course of the past 2 years, actually. So, as you all know, I've been on my journey, on my grind to elevate my credit status, and I've had to do a lot to get it to where it is today. And I've done everything that you can find prescribed by various credit repair programs. I've done everything from getting the unsecured credit card. Of course, when you first start fixing your credit, you're going to get the offers for lower cards, but you take those cards, especially if they're fee-free, and you can actually utilize it to kind of build up your status. So one of those cards that I received was was actually a CapitalOne, and this was not my first CapitalOne card. I actually had the CapitalOne Platinum Card, but soon after that I received this card right here, which is co-branded with Union Plus. So I was like, you know what? Okay, I'm building up my portfolio of credit cards, and this was for $500. So I wasn't complaining. Listen, at that point in time, my CapitalOne Platinum Card was $500 as well. So now this was 2 years ago. So over the course of that time, I've built myself up to having American Express cards, to having actually having moved from the CapitalOne Platinum Card all the way up to now having the CapitalOne Venture Card, which is the highest card that CapitalOne offers. And I've actually gone up from having a $500 credit limit to over $10,000 on this card. But the whole entire time, I actually had this card still. And I was like, okay. Every so often, I would inquire about a credit increase, and I'd be denied. I get the letter with all kinds of reasons, everything from past credit issues to they'll get back to me, all kinds of stuff. So now this is going on a little over 2 years now, and it's still $500. So a lot of people say, you know what, in the credit card again, what you do is, you want to keep your older cards. And honestly, this is one of my older cards. And you want to keep your older cards because it really supports your credit history, the length of credit, which is one of the criteria for your credit score, which is true. However, there's one other issue with having low credit cards, because at some point in time, what you want to do is you want to move your whole entire body of cards from having subprime cards. But these subprime cards are those $200, $300, $500, those cards that are $1,000 and below for the most part, are subprime. Same way you have subprime borrowers for real estate. These are people who don't make enough money or have had really poor credit. And I've reached a point where my cards now that I'm receiving are pretty much around the $10,000 range, which is, at prime and above prime. So holding on to this card actually hurts me, because when they're running my credit and they see this lower cards, there is a tendency to give you lower limits. So it's literally a $500 card that sits by itself doing nothing. So today I canceled it. This is the last vestige of my poor credit era, and it's almost like a how they do when it's like they clip the tie of stockbrokers who've made their first sale. This is clipping my first the last of my subprime cards. So with that being said, I can officially say that I'm no longer subprime. All my cards are all prime and above, and this all happened within 2 years. For those of you out there who are struggling and you're wondering, like, can I make it? Yes, you can. It's just a question of having the fortitude and the determination to make it happen. So with that being said, and I hope that this information I'm giving you is helpful and it's motivating as well, Please like, subscribe, share these videos. Please leave comments, let me know how I'm doing, and hopefully I'm helping someone out there. Again, this is Uche. Have an amazing day, guys. Peace.